I'm Flora from the team MyCash.
MyCash.
So today, this morning, we're just going to be touching base on what MyCash has to offer, what's happening with MyCash and all that. So yes, I'm so excited to be here this morning because this is probably my first ever show
on Magik.
Yes, on Magik. And it's good to be here though, just to let everyone know what MyCash is and what it can offer to all of our customers. Actually, for MyCash alone, it's for sure people are just wondering what MyCash is and what is she on about. Actually, MyCash is actually your mobile wallet. I know for sure people are thinking, what does that mean? You know, it's like your purse and your wallet. So electronically, it's all stored on your SIM and everything is kept there security-wise and all that. So I know for a fact, us mothers tend to forget everything, you know, panic attack in the morning, getting all the kids ready, and then not only purse, forget the wallets and purse at home. But somehow we don't even forget our phones.
True.
So by having your phone, you have MyCash with you, everything will be easy. Drop by one of our shops that have MyCash, buy the school lunches and morning tea for the kids. Disi keme ngalo ako kupe ngalo ATM card finally.
True.
So by having a MyCash account, carrying your phone with you makes it all easier for you. So that's basically what MyCash is. And for a fact that MyCash also have a lot of benefits as well in our normal days, you know, security wise, if you tend someone just, you know, having MyCash, if you lose your phone, you can actually go and replace your SIM and everything will be there. Your money all secured.
Yes, true.
So that's basically what MyCash is. It makes everything convenient, easier for us on our daily lives. So rather than carrying physical cash as well, you tend to lose it, or probably forget in the taxi your purse. But somehow I see that people don't even forget their phones.
Never.
Cash is on MyCash.
You love MyCash. That's a little bit on MyCash. We're going to be talking about MyCash this morning with Digicel. MyCash app, I like how they on our website it says it's fast, reliable, safe, and convenient for all daily financial transactions. So it is true, as Flora said, everyone tends to do that. Sometimes we forget our purses, our wallets, but we never forget our phone. It is the most important asset to a person. Like ngalo sisi mea, you don't go back and get it.
Exactly.
Ngalo lau phone, not get a phone for me. Koe di liu kwa la ngalo not get a phone get fun. So it's always good to have it on you at all times, especially with MyCash, because it's your wallet or your money at your fingertips.
Exactly.
And some of the things I heard, if it's true, because I hosted a program with National Bank of Samoa on Talofa, and they mentioned that MyCash is with one of their programs now to send money straight from MyCash to their account, to your account in National Bank.
That's exactly true, and it's really I've actually just joined National Bank as well, and I've already experienced it. It's very fast and convenient having to, I don't even need my ATM card. I'll just transfer money from my National Bank account to my MyCash number, or if someone sends money from overseas to my MyCash number, I'll just deposit it into my National Bank account without any fees attached. That's the good thing about it, and it's so easy and convenient. Rather than having to stand in a queue.
The long line.
And then we also have that service with ANZ Bank, whereby people are able to transfer money from the ANZ Bank account to to their MyCash number. And also recently, we just launched our partnership with PA Insurance, whereby people use MyCash to pay for their premiums and all their loan payments at ANC, PA Insurance. So say good morning to the staff and management of PA Insurance. Thank you guys for joining it, for also raising up the hand to our team MyCash to have this as part of their service as well. And it's also so no matter where all of their customers are at, scattered all over Sabo, they can actually transfer all their payments by using their MyCash numbers to the PA Insurance. So if I know fear, it's quite
very easy.
Yes.
Everything is very easy.
Which is the reason behind the drive for MyCash, is to let people know that having this will be give me a lockdown. If there's a lockdown, any natural disasters happening, a lockdown in Samoa, well, you'll still continue to do your transactions and do your cash powers as well, pay
late
for your water bills. Yes. If the power goes off, yes. It's so convenient. If I'm finding off here, there's no car at home and then you need cash power, you just click on your national bank account and then transfer money into your MyCash number. You do your cash power from there. Yeah, so that's how MyCash actually helps our people though. And I hope everyone is using it. And I know for sure, because I was one of the customers for Digicel. Then recently I'm working now as a MyCash person, and then I see this as a convenient way for me to do all these things by fingertips on the phone.
Right in your hands. That's the beauty of having MyCash. It's convenient, as we said earlier, and it makes life easier. No long queues at the banks and late night transactions, especially with power and paying your bills, doing shopping as well. Digicel MyCash makes everything easier. That's a little bit on MyCash. More to talk about when we come back. Anyways, back to you, Flora. More on MyCash and our show this morning.
I hope everyone was listening earlier.
I know, yeah.
Because we'll be selecting five lucky winners to win a $15 Pando. It's very hard nowadays to have budget $15 credit. So in a car for the credit. So I hope a lot of our listeners were listening in earlier with our conversation that we mentioned one of the insurance company that recently joined us to have MyCash as part of their payment methods for their clients.
True.
Anyways, just talking more about MyCash and the promotions that we are currently running, so that people will always think, having MyCash and any promotions. Don't worry, there are promotions and there are things that you're entitled to win in some of our funny stuff. Also, just like to mention that we do have a 10% discount on all of our handsets. If you buy it through MyCash. So when you visit our retail shops and you wanting to buy a phone, a new phone for your kid, or for Easter for someone that you love. Yeah, so by just using your MyCash to purchase the handset, it's 10% discount.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, true.
Yes. So MyCash to buy cash power and all other things, but you can also buy products from our retail shops. 10% discount, especially our handsets. Also with our DTV app using MyCash to pay for your premium and your plans on our DTV app. Super rugby. So having DTV app and buy your premium plans just by using your MyCash app. And also we do have a promotion that is currently going on at New Zealand and Australia for Easter. It's called for all our diaspora. Friends and families and colleagues and all those other people living in New Zealand and Australia. So there's a Easter promotion going on that when you send money from all those IMT finance in New Zealand and Australia, and you send to locally to MyCash wallet, you'll go into a promotion to win one of the S25 Galaxy handset.
Oh, wow.
Ayo, vai ko ka kambanga le malo just by sending money over, and also top up 20 allow more from overseas to people living in the Pacific, especially over Samoa. Ma kiri vai ngai ora receive send card my day, and also to send money from overseas to MyCash. E aru ko ngore se. Malo ai tato telefoni na le
Samsung.
Samsung S25 Ultra handset.
That's the newest phone.
Exactly.
The latest from Samsung.